now. It is a nice day out here. Really, really. In New Orleans, it's beautiful. There's the pool. That's the banana trees. Me and my buddy Phil got to run down to the Lowe's just at the end of my street. And we're going to do that electrical project. The nails and the staples are too long. They'll poke out the other side of the board, so we need some shorter ones. Walmart didn't have any of those shorter ones, so I picked them up. And yeah, I'll be taking them back. So anyway, we're going to be heading out to the Lowe's. Hi.
Hey.
All right, well, we're here at Lowe's, so we're going to go in and look for these nails. Phil's got it memorized what we need.
You don't need them this long.
All right, so he's got a sample, so we're going to be okay. So we'll catch some more video inside, folks. Thanks for looking in for now. Toodaloo, toodaloo. We'll tack on some more. Okay, we found all the stuff. Of course, they don't have what we need. We need that box right there that's empty. Go bigger, right? Those are all too long, like what we already got. And of course, they don't have any of the others. So we're gonna have to go with this kind, a little more expensive. That's enough for the kitchen and the new countertop we just built. Gonna have to put it in with these screws. So that's what it is for us. Toodaloo, toodaloo for right now. So we're back at the house. Got some tools out, we're getting this out. We're gonna put 3 of these fasteners onto here. 3. And we're gonna screw it down. Had that ready ahead of time. And then we'll only have a couple more to put on. All right, hand man Phil, getting it done.
Yeah.
What we're about, getting it done, huh?
Almost.
So, as you can see, that's just basically a fastener. Got a screw hole in it. When we get under there, we already got them on. We're ready to rock and roll. So that's about it. That's it for now. We're gonna tack on some more in a bit.